Go.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This is your seat.
Okay.
This is the menu, sir.
Thank you. Waiter.
What is your order, sir?
Okay. For appetizer is steamed siopaw, and for main course is steamed siomai, and for dessert is chocolate cake. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Go.
I repeat your order, sir. Your appetizer is steamed siopaw. Your main course is steamed siomai with rice.
Yes.
Your dessert is chocolate cake.
Yes.
This is your appetizer, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, this is your main course.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you finished, sir?
Yes.
Do you want dessert?
Yes.
This is your dessert.
Thank you. Below.
This is your bill, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.